Here is a example problem for us to try. We have a sample of 17 newborns at the Dallas University Health Center that have the following lengths in centimeters. The measurements have already been sorted from us from lowest to highest, so there you can see them all. We're supposed to find the 5 number summary for this data and the interquartile range. So minimum, obviously easy enough, is 46.4. Maximum is going to be over here on the other end at 55.1. And now we're going to have to find the median. And just like the other day, we're going to cross off the low one and then cross off the high one. And then we're going to continue to cross off a low one, cross off a high one, cross off a low one, cross off a high one, and repeat until you get down to 1 or 2 numbers left. If there's 2 numbers left, you have to find the mean or the average of those two. In our case, we only have 1 number left at this point, so our median is 50.4. Now I'm going to find quartile 1, and quartile 1 is going to be the median of these numbers over here on the left side. So again, I'm going to cross off again, crossing off like the 40, I think that was a 46.4, and then the 50, and then again, and you're going to continue to repeat that just on this half, the lower half to the left of the median. Here's my median with the box around it. And when I calculate that, I end up with 2 numbers at the end, 48.5 and 48.5. And of course, the average of two 48.5s is 48.5. So my Q1 is 48.5. Then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the right side. So we're going to cross off the 50.6 and then the 55.1 and then the 51.1 and then the 54.4. And we're going to end up with 2 of them again. 51.8 and 52.5, and we have to find the average of that. So we add these 2 up and divide by 2, and we ended up with 52.15. That is quartile 3. To find the interquartile range, I'm just subtracting Q3 and Q1. So 52.15 minus the 48.5, and you end up with 3.65. So they're not really that spread out. So the babies are pretty close together in different lengths. That's how you would do the 5 number summary for a sample.